It's day 5 today. Hi there! So today is day 5 of 365 and we are heading to Chick Boy. It's Chicken and Baboy Barbecue. They are located at Busay in Cebu City. So nasa banda siya ng Temple of Leia. So as what you can see, Temple of Leia is also one of the tourist spots dito sa Cebu. So andito na nga tayo. Nasa itaas lang siya banda ng temple. And here we go. That's our Chick Boy with a dog. So tara, and I will show you around. So dito sa entrance, dito sila nagluluto o nagpe-prepare ng mga meal. At bandang dun is the dining area with a view. So makikita mo yung city lights. And napakarami din pala nila mga furry friends dito. So like that one, kamukha niya si Sophie. Yan. So as what you can see, marami nga kumakain dito. And take note, today is Monday, so how much more pag weekend, diba? So makikita mo talaga dito ang city lights at napakagandang Cebu City dyan sa baba. So ayan, so ang sarap talaga ng feeling pag nandito ka sa taas. At pag lamig is nagfa-fog din sila dito, ayan. Barbecue with the view. Let's try this barbecue. Namit. Kung narinig nyo nung natikman ko yung barbecue there, I said, namit. Namit means masarap. So, I love their barbecue. Food is great. The view is 100%. It's really worth the travel. So, mga around 15 minutes ata siya from the city center. Kasi ito yung makikita mo din naman. And what's good thing about here is, pwede mo talagang dalhin if you have pets like us. So, ang hirap talaga pag naiiwan sila. So, Miley can always come with us whenever we come here. And then, ayan yung city lights na makikita nyo. Actually, sa banda dyan, makikita nyo yung bridge. Ayan, let me point it to you. Right there. Yes, yan po yung bridge. Nakikita nyo ba? So, dyan po kami nag-fishing. So, from there, up to here. Eto na tayo ngayon dito sa taas. And then, here comes the view. And that is my baby, Miley. Look at that. Miley and Daddy. So cute. Ayan. Papa's girl na ata siya ngayon. And then, pahiram muna ako niyan. Kasi mag-video kami ni Miley dito, Daddy, oh. And to end our night, we need some halo-halo. So, Melta's Halo-Halo is actually one of our favorites. It is located in Katipunan, Cebu City. If you are in Cebu, you need to try this one. It's really masarap. Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye!